feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hey my beautiful gems, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vlog. It's a Tuesday evening and we're starting off the vlog with some self-care. So do my self-care night routine with me. Hey chams, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another vlog. I am trying to install my hair and I'm struggling because I don't have my hair dryer here, but we're gonna make it work, okay? This light is turning off. I thought it was charged. Apparently it was not.
That's nuts, Lily.
For the fact that I have a lot
I let my yard filled in 50s, then I remember my back card. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be an up trying to diss me. He was in an interview room singing ballad. He ain't none of them things, he's all allowed. Like how you don't feel embarrassed. Baby looking on Nicki Minaj. Cause I got a spaceship in my garage. My own thing went over there about something. Into the sauna and like massage. You know me, I get back and manage. Sent them even ration afford that day. I'm feeling like Van Hal. It's a struggle to talk about jokes. When you're factual, I can get nicked and end up cancelled.
But even me would care, but
So I'd rather go uptown and spray a little deal savage. I was upside giving out pictures, done it so much, could've turned to a collage. They fucked with the bush, but love the white more like Nigel Farage. I scream fuck first cause I've been harassed. I was an eagle, girls on my eye. What do you mean they won't take cash in Van Cleef? And then they have the bird come Paris. Come on, the hood's too hot. It's a fast class back to Accra. Why they wanna put boiled egg in my salad? I left my yard filled with 50s, didn't remember my back card. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like grandpa. That can't be a up trying to diss me. He was in the interview, really singing ballad. He ain't on the damn thing, he's a walad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed. Baby looking on Nicki Minaj. Cause I got a spaceship in my garage. My own way went over there, man, something into the soul.
all the stuff like the blues, body hot cold, you know, things like that. But for now, just
I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret sex with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake.
period.
Look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just goes strong. But she'll leave it alone. But
It's a Wednesday, the next day, so I just want to show you my OOTD. So I'm wearing this pants from Mr. Price and these t-shirts, just a plain white t-shirt, also from Mr. Price. And then we are going to put on these boots. I can't remember where I got them, guys. I think they fixed or exact, I'm not too sure about that. I can't remember. I am so sorry, but yeah, that's my OOTD. Hey my beautiful champs, it's so noisy outside, but I am on my way to work. I'm just closing off the vlog. This is how the week came out, guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys on another one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all. Cheers.